In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Zoho Books and effortlessly generate a customer statement. This is an incredibly handy tool if you're managing invoices, keeping tabs on client accounts, or simply wanting a clear picture of your sales landscape. So let's dive in. To get started, the first step is to open up your preferred web browser and navigate your way over to the Zoho Books website. Logging in is straightforward, and you'll find that the intuitive interface makes it easy to locate the information you need. If you already have a Zoho account, simply use your login credentials to access your dashboard. For those who are new, you may need to create an account, but don't worry, the registration process is user-friendly and quick. Once you've logged in, your next move is to direct your attention to the sidebar, where you'll find the Sales section. Click on this section, as it will serve as your primary hub for all your sales-related activities and information. Within the Sales section, look for the Customer tab. Clicking this will reveal a list of all the customers you have in your Zoho Books database. This is where things start to get more tailored to your needs. Choose the specific customer for whom you wish to generate a statement. It's a simple matter of scrolling through the list or using the search bar if you have numerous entries. Once you've found the desired customer, click on their name to view more detailed information about their account. Now, with the customer details open, look for the option labeled Statement. It's usually easy to find, often prominently positioned to aid efficient navigation. This part of the process is crucial, as clicking Statement initiates the automatic generation of a comprehensive customer statement. This document includes all relevant transactions and balances associated with that particular customer, giving you and the customer a clear overview of their account status. In just a few clicks, you've achieved something that might have seemed daunting at first. This statement provides a transparent and organized way to communicate with your customers about what they owe or have paid, enhancing trust and clarifying any potential discrepancies. And there you have it. Creating a customer statement in Zoho Books is as simple as that. This functionality not only saves time, but also ensures accuracy when managing your accounts. Whether you're a small business owner or a manager seeking efficient accounting solutions, Zoho Books offers a range of features to streamline your financial tasks. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to comment below. Until next time, happy bookkeeping.